I'm gonna make a zebra cake. The zebra cake is traditionally a yellow cake and a chocolate cake that are put together to make zebra stripes. I am going to make a springtime cake, a strawberry lemonade cake. So I have 1 box of white cake mix, and you're gonna follow the box, but you do wanna separate it into 2 bowls because you need 2 separate colors to make the stripes. There's 3 cups of cake mix in here, half in each, 1½ cups. So a 1/4 cup of oil, and a 1/2 cup of water each. So 2 eggs in each. Right now we have 2 white cakes. I want lemon and strawberry. So for the strawberry, I've got some strawberry gelatin. And this is going to flavor the cake with a nice, vibrant strawberry flavor, but it won't change the consistency of your cake batter. Same with the lemon. 3 tablespoons of lemon-flavored gelatin, and then just mix those up. Okay, now to build our stripes. You just put the batter on top of the batter. You switch colors. So we're gonna go 2 scoops of one color and then 2 scoops of the other color. So these pans have parchment on the bottom, and they've been sprayed lemonade time. So that goes right in the middle of the pan, right on top of the strawberry. And you just keep doing that until you're out of batter. Into the oven, preheated to 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. We are now gonna make a classic cream cheese frosting. So first we need to cream 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, room temperature, a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, room temp. Once you can tell that they're all blended, then you can start adding the powdered sugar. 1 cup at a time, there's 3 cups that go in. This will help the powdered sugar stay in the bowl. Plus low. Time for another scrape. And you feel it soften up as each cup of sugar goes in. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Oh, that's beautiful. Silky, smooth. Just cover this up. Frosting is done. Cakes are ready. Once the cake is cooled, I'm gonna top it with frosting. So I'm gonna put 1 of the layers of the cake on this beautiful little cake stand. And this parchment is gonna grab any extra frosting, any extra crumbs. So we're gonna start by getting some frosting into our layer between the 2 cakes. We'll get the other one, and we're gonna flip this guy over, because this is the nice flat surface. We're gonna have our cake have a little dome to it. Just nestle that right in. So you can see some of this seeping out of the sides. Just take it and scrape it all around. And that becomes part of our crumb coat. This is about ready for the fridge. Just enough to get a nice chill on it so the crumbs won't release anymore. They're just nice and glued to the crumb coat. And now it's the final frosting. I like to get a nice amount and then just let it move to the edges and the sides. See, now you can move the frosting around with ease and none of the crumbs come up. Little swirls, little wavy swirls, just to give it some movement. There, that's pretty. I wanna get some strawberries on top. I like to always show what flavor is in the cake. Maybe we can make a little flour. And then a little bit of zest all over the flour as well. There, now you know it's a strawberry lemon cake. Wanna get the offset and just get it underneath, right where the parchment is, just to loosen it because it has been sitting in the fridge. Just pulls right out. There you go. There we go. Here we go. Oh, it feels so tender. I love when you can cut into a cake and you can tell how moist it is. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Let's see how it tastes. I really wanted an intense lemon and strawberry flavor. So let's see if we did that. That mission is accomplished. Wow, and it's so moist, lemony. It tastes like a big, refreshing gulp of strawberry lemonade in cake form. So good. Mwah.